there's one very special person in the room that I want to personally thank, and I'm going to try and do it without crying. My dad didn't tell me that he had terminal cancer until late November. And he'd known about a month. And he didn't want to upset me. And when he told me, I knew right who to go to, and that was my doctor over here, Dr. Richard Raborn. Please stand up, Richard. And what I'd really like to do is introduce his son, Trevor. Trevor, please stand up. Stay standing. Trevor spent his entire Christmas vacation trying to find donors for my dad to get into a cancer study. This cancer study is phenomenal. It's been 100% effective in animal trials. It's been going on for over 12 years, but it's very expensive because it requires a very specific genetic match, and it uses white blood cells to actually seek out and kill all kinds of cancers. The only cancer it doesn't work on is cancer in the brain because of the blood-brain barrier. But the biggest problem with this is finding enough donors. And the estimates vary, but to treat the 29 people in the FDA-approved trial, they were estimating they needed about 500 people to be willing to donate their white blood cells in order to treat 29 people. Well, Trevor spent his entire vacation finding people to get my dad in that trial. And he did it. And I'm talking on the phone, going to pick people up, to take them. And if you get a chance to meet Trevor, I want you to thank him for me and shake his hand.
Thank you.
You got it.
And other people are already benefiting from what Trevor did.
That's right. The work he did didn't go to waste. There are people right now who are being able to be treated because of the work that Trevor did for Dad.
And the most important thing is it really gave Dad hope.
It changed the last month of his life completely because he had something to look forward to.
And a lot of you probably heard him say, "I'm going to be a guinea pig," and it went from, being really depressed, really, to being jokey and happy, and it changed everything.
Thank you so much, Trevor.